The danger alarm goes off.
Oh no!
This is an earthquake warning. Sand is falling from the sky. Polly and his friends are screaming in surprise. Trees were broken and the whole village was in chaos. After a storm has passed. Gosh! What happened to this? We need to restore the village quickly. Recovery equipment is required. Help me, Dino Construction Company.
Everybody move! Move! Forward!
The Dino Construction Company has departed. Poli friends are starting to work until they come from the Dino Construction Company. Poke scooped up the pile of sand on the floor. And Dump carried the sand. Finally, Dino Construction Company has arrived.
Wow!
They started working. I knew it. It's believable. Dump also stepped forward to help with the work.
Okay.
Oh, no. It doesn't go my way. Poli, Amber, Roy, and Jin, who are watching this, are smiling. Dino Construction Company continues to restore the town. Work continued for a long time. There's too much to do.
Wow!
Spooky and Tracky are trying to erect a fallen tree, but it seems difficult. Fortunately, the rescue team put the tree up. Thank you, the dinosaur rescue team. It takes a lot of time to restore the village. Like that, everyone cleared the sand and rebuilt the trees.
Everybody move! Move! Forward!
Finally, the lost road was also rebuilt. Rescue team and Robocar Poli brought the town back to life.